This is a standard LEGO road baseplate. Nothing wrong with it. But I wanted my vehicles to share the streets with trains, and so I designed a new road system built entirely with LEGO. Over 3.5 hours, I live streamed myself on Twitch rebuilding the roads and seawall of MonoTown, my LEGO city. Thousands of bricks were used and we had to destroy quite a bit of the downtown area, but the end result was, I think, worth it. Want to join me and build together? Follow me on Twitch at LEGO MonoTown. First, we had to move the large hospital and a high-rise apartment building. Then, the elevated intra-city train had to be dismantled. Don't worry, these will all come back. You can see here I've got basically a mixture of two modulars. This brownstone was originally released with this pet shop and apartment. And then the modular for this year is the bookstore with another house. So just wanted to break it up. You kind of get used to seeing these two together a lot because it's a standard set, so broke it up. You can see I'm just kind of varying the build here. What we're mainly trying to do is make sure that like everything is supported. And because I've got almost an entire A4 storage cabinet full of these 2x8 pieces, it's like, well, let's use them. By moving the MonoTown intercity railway onto the street, we are reclaiming more than 8 full base plates of space which were formerly used for track. That's a lot of space that can now be used for structures. If you want to follow the progress in real time, join us on Twitch. We discuss topics ranging from history to China to the pros and cons of various transportation systems, and we love hearing from people all over the world. We also spend quite a bit of time talking about, well, LEGO. In the past, MonoTown was threatened by rising sea levels caused by global warming. The citizens had a choice. They could abandon their city to the elements and the fearsome rising tides, or they could fight back. They chose to make a stand, and in the process they built a massive seawall to protect their homes and businesses. To make way for the new road system, we had to dismantle this seawall and rebuild it back to its proper height of 40 bricks. Coming out of the newly built seawall, we have a double height tunnel for the elevated railway, which has been dismantled right now. And then you've got the new street level with this really nice curb, 2 plates high. And got a train that's derailed. But normally these trains will run right there when they're on the track. And then you can see street traffic is shared. And I think that turned out really nicely. You can see compared to the old roads, I just think it adds a ton of color. Here's the tripod, but that's where the old road ended. A wider sidewalk. We've still got plenty of room for pedestrians. We'll have to tile that. That's no problem. So basically the idea is you've got painted concrete here, warning, no passing. This is tram, no parking. And then this is asphalt, and this is concrete sidewalk. Three and a half hours later, and I think the end result was great. But as always, there's still more to do. Join us on Twitch, Instagram, and YouTube, and make sure you visit LegoMonoTown.com as well. Thanks for watching.